With our web app being our newest platform, it definitely has quite a few features that you won't see on our mobile platforms. Katrina, with that in mind, what's one feature that comes to mind?
So searching and filtering from different status folders and offices and things like that is quite different here on the web app.
Absolutely. And from an admin level or from a sales manager level, you have the ability to filter by user. So from this, you'll see that I can actually drop down and view all of the active users in my account and filter to any of those. So Katrina, let me actually filter over to your projects.
All right.
And additionally, you can also filter down by the status. Now, what we specifically mean in here would be the job status. Not all of our customers are filtering their projects into new lead, inspection scheduled, jobs sold, completed, on and on. But let's go ahead and click this drop down and show you the value. So any new lead that's scheduled or any new project that's created is always going to go into the new lead folder. But it can be moved down through the various areas of that lead as it moves through the process of becoming a sale. Some of these are related to insurance, of course, if you have an adjustment appointment scheduled. Approved, that would be insurance related. Ready to build, means you have a contract and it's ready for production. Punch out, work completed, dead, and closed. So let's filter down to Katrina's inspection schedule.
Right.
And we have a few projects here. And then even with regard to offices, so Katrina has access to all of our offices, but let's say we just want to see the ones in the demo office. So we can filter all those down. In order to get projects to be filterable, you have to move them into the different offices and into the different statuses where they belong. So let me navigate all the way back out. So now we've come back out to the main screen of projects without any filters applied. And let's go ahead and go into the details of this most recent project here.
Okay.
Down here on the left side, we can see a spot where we can change the office. Now, most of the time, when you set the office, when you first create a project, or if you only have one office for your account, you're never going to have to worry about changing this. Typically, once a project has been put into an office, there's almost never reason to change the office.
Right.
But from here, as the project or as this lead moves through its different stages, you'll be able to drop down and select different status folders to put it into. So let's say this one is inspected and ready to go.
Okay.
We can move it and then of course click on the little save button in the upper right hand corner. And it's going to take us into the project once we move it into that status folder. Katrina, how will this filter capability benefit our customers here in RoofSnap?
Yeah. It'll allow admins to kind of organize and salesmen organize their projects and track those project statuses as it goes through the sales pipeline.
Absolutely.